The Nike Air Max 95 Mexico arrives as a vibrant lifestyle sneaker that channels football energy as global excitement grows ahead of the next FIFA World Cup. This special edition keeps the legendary layered design while introducing a color story inspired by Mexico's national identity. Shades of Phantom, Team Red, Fur, Alabaster, Peony, and White combine to create a bold yet balanced look. A vivid green accent highlights the heel and lightly colors the visible air units, giving the silhouette a striking visual pop. Storytelling details strengthen the theme. Heel branding alternates between Mexico and El Tiempo FC in bright pink, while the insoles carry the phrase Amor que no se apaga, celebrating lasting pride and passion. Performance comfort remains central. Breathable mesh improves airflow, while structured leather-inspired overlays add durability and shape. Soft foam cushioning and visible air units help absorb impact during everyday wear. Underfoot, a durable rubber outsole provides dependable traction, making this release both stylish and functional for daily use.